Welcome to PuntaCanaVilla.com, where luxury meets convenience in Punta Cana. Discover our exclusive Bavaro condos for sale, nestled within the esteemed Caribbean Gardens complex. This penthouse offers 1 bedroom, 1.5 bathrooms, and a constructed area of 914.932 square feet, designed for modern living and comfort. Residents of Caribbean Gardens enjoy a host of amenities, from a billiard area to a swimming pool with sun decks, picnic area, wellness area, and multi-purpose room. Don't miss this opportunity to own a piece of paradise in Bavaro. Reserve with just $2,000 and take advantage of our payment plan. 10% down payment, 30% during construction, and 60% upon property delivery. Experience luxury living in Caribbean Gardens. Contact us today to make this penthouse yours.